Okay, I just want to zoom in a little bit on some of the surface design aspects that I worked on with Cosmic Cadence. Here's some embroidery design, and then of course I have some applique work that went in, some hand beading. Really love the Aurifil thread, makes it great to work with. And here's some top stitching, which is actually the actual quilting, and I really had fun putting in this rainbow strip at the top. You can see a little bit more of the beading going on. I'm going to zoom out a little bit just so you can see some of the detail that goes into even a larger scale piece. And the waves at the bottom, which is another interesting technique. A little bit of embroidery and quilting on the top.